Hi guys, welcome back. Today for Christmas recipes, I have this Christmas mince pie for you. This is the most festive Christmas dessert. This is an Irish and British Christmas dessert which is so popular. So without any delay, let's get baking this super amazing dessert right now. So you begin the recipe by first making the berry mix. Did you know that this was actually made using meat, but then came the concept of using sweets, and that's how 12 berries along with some brandy is added. But here I'm adding berries along with molasses and orange juice just to make it kid friendly. I'll mix it all together and let it sit down for 1 hour so that the berries soak in all the juice. Next I'll melt some butter over a skillet, and once the butter melts I'll add some grated apples to it and let it caramelize. Next I'll add some allspice. These spices along with granulated sugar will caramelize the apples really well, and once it simmers down for 5 to 10 minutes, I'll simply add the soaked berry mixture and let it simmer away for 15 minutes over very low heat. Next I'll make the pastry dough. For that I'm using all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, some melted butter and cold water. I'll knead all of this together to make a soft dough, and once the dough comes together, I'll roll it out and cut star-shaped cookies. There's a very interesting story about mince pie which I'm sure you would love to know. It's said that this mince pie actually is such a traditional Christmas dessert which signifies all the 12 wise men in Jesus' coat, and also the star over it symbolizes the hope of humanity and the star which shined during Jesus was born. So just to make it so special, I'm also going to cut some tart shapes and also some star shapes using the rolled out dough. And once I've cut it all out, I'll use the tart shape and place it over my mini tart dishes. I'm using some small tartlet dishes here. You just want to grease it and then add the tart shape over it and even it out completely. Next, use a skewer or any fork to prick holes over it so that these do not rise up when they get baked. Once you have done that, you just have to add the berry mixture into it and add the berry mixture till the top. And once you have done that, you just want to top with the star shaped cookies and then bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And once these are completely baked, your Christmas mince pie will be ready. Also, don't forget to brush some egg wash on top because that's what makes them really golden brown in color. And now it's time for baking. Let's get them into the baking tray and bake at the required temperature for 30 minutes. And there you go, these Christmas mince pie are baked and ready. They come out really easy from the tart dishes and they are ready in no time. Follow me for more such really easy and amazing Christmas dessert recipes which I'm sure you will love to make for your Christmas dinner. Have a great time and a great holiday everyone. Stay tuned for more easy recipes like this. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great holiday.